Welcome back to Aviation Enthusiast. Today we're exploring the top 5 military drones of 2024. These machines have not only set high benchmarks in tech, but also made headlines with their missions. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have the American MQ-9 Reaper. This workhorse UAV can fly up to 50,000 feet with a max speed of 300 miles per hour and an endurance of 27 hours. Equipped with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-12 laser-guided bombs, the Reaper packs a powerful punch. It's famously known for missions in Afghanistan and Iraq, where it provided critical intelligence and targeted strikes against high-value targets. Its long range and impressive weapon load make it a key asset for the US and its allies. At number 4, the Chinese CH-5 Rainbow. With a 60-hour flight time and a 4,000-kilometer range, the CH-5 can carry up to 16 missiles, making it one of the heaviest armed drones in its class. This drone has been deployed by Middle Eastern countries for missions targeting terrorist hideouts and surveillance. The CH-5 is particularly valued for its high endurance and affordability, offering a solid alternative to more expensive Western drones. Drone number 3, Bayraktar TB2. At number 3, the Bayraktar TB2 from Turkey. Known for its combat role in Libya, Syria and Ukraine, the TB2 has a 27-hour flight time and carries MAM-L smart micro-munitions. This medium-altitude, long-endurance drone has earned its reputation by destroying enemy tanks, artillery and air defense systems. It's a prime example of how effective a smaller, more agile UAV can be in asymmetric warfare, as seen in Ukraine, where it took down Russian assets, catching global attention. Drone number 2, Winglong 2. In the number 2 spot, we have the Winglong 2. This Chinese UAV boasts a 32-hour flight time and carries a variety of payloads, including anti-tank missiles, guided bombs, and laser-guided weapons. The Winglong 2 was notably used in Yemen by Saudi forces to track and target Houthi positions, proving its worth in both surveillance and strike roles. With an advanced targeting system and global exports, it's a versatile, cost-effective option in high demand. Drone number 1, MQ-25 Stingray. And at the top, the MQ-25 Stingray, the US Navy's game-changing refueling drone. Although it's not an attack UAV, the Stingray's role as an aerial tanker allows it to refuel F/A-18 Super Hornets, extending their range and time in the air. This capability significantly enhances the operational flexibility of carrier air wings, making the MQ-25 a critical asset in modern naval warfare.